So hey all, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a custom hook. This asked in multiple interviews, basically. So what we need to create in this project? So there is a timer on our screen. User can start, reset, and stop, pause that timer according to their requirement. Like currently, if I click on the timer will be start, and it will calculate our time in the seconds. So like 1, 2, 3, like that. And if user one, you can push, and if user one again, you can start or reset it to the 0. So we have done it by the custom hook. So we need to let's see how can we do that. As we saw in our VS Code, we have a small project. Let me zoom it out. Control plus, yeah. Now it is good. So my current project structure is like this. There is a src folder. I have inside this, we have app.js. From here, we have used for the UI purpose, look and feel, we have used material UI. And here, only one tool, that's the text which are shown on screen, that's code karoge. And second thing is timer component. So exactly all the logics, all the things we are done in the timer component. Let's go inside this. Okay. So this return part, inside this return part, everything what we are shown in the screen, this will present here. So like the title, custom hook, the small box, white box we saw, because of that component, this title is here. And now that format, the timer is we are shown on the screen is because of this. And below buttons are because of this is text. Okay. So yeah, the timer, the functionality of this screen, the timer start, pause, and reset will done from the hook named as UseTimer. So we have one file named as usetimer.js. If I go inside that, let me click on this. So it will initially it will its time it will be 0. Okay, so that's why when user came on screen, uh, first time the time will be 0 0 second. Okay, now what it will return, in the return it will return five things. Two are the states and three are the functions basically. So the timer, time is the exactly time, uh, the timer, time of the timer exactly. If I start, like user click on this, so 1 second, 2 second, this 1 second, 2 second will be returned from this time. And is running is basically a boolean value which represent whether is still on, still in, uh, timer is still on or off. Like if I click on pause, this flag will be, is running flag will be false. If I start again, the timer will start again from that previous value. Okay, so using that value is running, we can show on screen whether it's running or not. So start, pause, as its name, this is the three function. Because of that, user is able to start the timer is with using pause. User is able to pause the timer, and same for the reset. If user want to reset to do it from initially, so use this function. Okay, so now on, let's see how it will work. We have three things. Two are the state, one is the use ref. So timer, use ref, basically we have used use ref for the time, storing time is because we don't want every second to refresh our screen. Okay, so if we store this time, uh, the updated time every second, the timer's time in the state, it will refresh, re-render our component every time. So to overcome with that issue, what we have done, we have used this use rep at the place of use state. So because of this, if time get changed for every second here, it will not refresh our screen, like component will be not re-render again and again. Okay, so here what it will check, like if user click on start first, then is running, this is a function is initially it will be true, it will make here a false, like change the value like from true to false, false to true. Now what happen, if user click on start button, is running get a true. On change of every is running, we are applying a function here, check here. If running is true, then we are started this timer every second, and uh, every interval, 1 second of interval, we have increase the value up in the previous value. So this is how our timer get increases every second. On this pause, what we have done, we just make the is this is pause. Okay, we just make it as a pause. If we make it as a false, the timer will get stop. And same for the reset. On the reset, we just reset time and is running value as a false. Okay, so how the call there, like these two, time and is running. Time is used for displaying the data, displaying the exact time on the in the proper format. So for the formatting, we have used this function. Inside this, we just uh, from that time we get extract minute and seconds from the user. Okay, and same is running. Because of is running, we just show this button accordingly. Like if running is false, we need to show start. If running is true, then we need to show pause. This reset button will be always same. And this function, we don't create here any function for this. We directly use the push and pause start from the hooks. So this is the custom hook. How can we how we have used in our project for any timer.